Biopharma's been going now for almost 30 years.
Back in those days, selling freeze dryers. At the time, the pharmaceutical world was very much geared towards small molecule therapeutics. And since then, there's been a huge sea change away from small molecules towards biologicals, both in diagnostics and in therapeutics. And freeze drying as a process has been an enormous beneficiary. So not only have we been very much in keeping with pharmaceutical product development, but we've augmented that by looking after our customers extremely well and making sure that they have the hardware they need to do their job. In terms of developing the business, we started off as freeze drying. We're diversifying to processes that are upstream and downstream from freeze drying, so that people who are involved in the manufacture of pharmaceutical therapeutics or diagnostics can come to Biopharma as a one-stop shop for an ever larger proportion of their process needs, whether it's going upstream in terms of homogenization for the large number of products that are now excreted by bacteria such as E. coli or yeast, or whether it's going downstream to powder filling for the product that comes out of freeze dryers. It's vertical integration within pharmaceutical process. The reason why we have lasted well in an industry where not everybody does is that we employ good quality people, we train them well, they're conscientious, they're diligent, they look after their customers. We provide good engineering, good parts service to great customers, and that's a winning combination. Going forward, we want to cement our position as the UK's largest independent pharmaceutical and high precision airflow contractor. We're there already, but we need to keep it. We will look to consolidate that position both through organic growth and acquisition, and we will probably look to diversify into fields where we have a small position and become a dominant player in those.
At Biopharma Group, we specialise in offering solutions to the processing and lyophilization industries. We began with freeze drying, and over the years, to meet the needs of a growing customer base, we have also taken on product lines such as Genovac solvent removal, Avestin homogenization, aseptic processing, sepia tech chromatography, preparation and equipment, volumetric powder filling, and our latest acquisition, faster airflow systems. One of the great things about Biopharma is our in-house technical service department providing lifetime support to our customers. In addition to this, we also have our R&D consultancy division for everything from pre-formulating development through to full cycle development processing, covering pre- and post-lyophilization analytics. To support this, Biopharma have developed and launched freeze drying equipment and analytical instruments, but we also have access to the DSC and DVS. To tie this all together, we also have our scheduled training courses, which can either be workshops or theoretical based. BPS Crowthorne in Ireland not only provides all of the Biopharma Group services mentioned, but specialism in clean air and containment solutions. Our head office is based in Winchester, UK, but we also have other divisions which are BPS Crowthorne in Ireland, Biopharma Technologies France, and BTLC, which is based in the US and focused on R&D and analytical instruments. Biopharma Group presents expertise in lyophilization, product development and technology.
Biopharma Group is dedicated to providing its clients with the highest possible standard of service, support and products. The entire group's mission is to meet the precise needs of our customers' projects appropriate to the size and stage of that project. From purchasing capital equipment through to R&D consultancy, full cycle development or training courses, the group's philosophy is to augment its customers' in-house expertise and work together to make each project a success. Having such a customer-centric ethos and culture is what drives the Biopharma Group team, and this has helped drive the entire group to success. Working collaboratively with clients, they are able to understand their needs and provide products and solutions to meet them. It was this innovative approach that has led the group from one firm focusing on freeze-drying devices to dedicated divisions in the UK, Ireland, France and USA, to make them a multi-product, multi-service, customer-centric organisation that continues to adapt and is flexible in its approach to offering the industries it serves what they need.
Well, I'd like to think that the reason for our longevity and success is entirely down to my brilliance, but that's not really the case. We employ some really great people with a deep understanding of the subjects they work in. We sell great products, we deliver great service, and we look after our customers. It's not an original business model, but we do it very well.